Hello everyone, I am Vijay, your yoga teacher from APS Haldwani Lamachar. Today we will learn Markat Asana of 4 types. In Markat Asana, we first lie down on the ground, fold our legs, our heels come near the hips and spread our hands at the shoulder level. Our palms are towards the sky. Now turn the legs on one side, knees to touch to the ground, head to the other side and see towards the palm. After some time, come in the middle and do it from the other side also. When the knees are down, body is twisted, your breath will be out. When your legs come in middle, you will breathe inside. You will repeat it both the sides. When the legs are on the sides, the upper knee will be over the lower knee. Here, legs will be joined together all the time. This is first type of Markat Asana. This Markat Asana type 1 is easiest of all the 4 types of Markat Asana. When your legs goes in the sides, your body is twisted, your stomach is twisted, therefore breath is out. When you come in middle, your stomach is normal, so you will breathe inside. This Markat Asana cures all the deformities of the spinal cord. It is helpful in removing the obesity. It cures stomach ache, constipation, etc. and it makes your stomach light. It improves your digestive power. This exercise is especially useful for backache, cervical spondylitis, slip disc and sciatica, etc. This Markat Asana makes you strong, beautiful, active, smart, flexible and healthy. In Markat Asana, Markat is the word taken from the Sanskrit language and its meaning is monkey. Now we have learned Markat Asana of type 1. We will learn now the Markat Asana of type 2. Here we will keep the distance between the legs. The distance will be 1.5 feet between the legs and rest of the asana is same as Markat Asana of type 1. Here when we will turn the legs, the upper leg will come near the heel of lower leg. Markat Asana of type 1 and type 2 can be done 5 to 10 times. You can do more according to your need. Here also when the legs will come in middle, you will breathe in and when your legs will go in the sides, you will breathe out. You will breathe out because your stomach is twisted and pressed. And now see to the method. In middle, you will breathe inside and in sides you will breathe out. Legs goes in one side and head goes in the other side. Your palms remain towards the sky all the time and your hand is in shoulder level. You can feel the effect of asana in your body. You can feel the twisting. Your stomach is twisted, your neck is twisted. You will also feel the twisting in your hip and thigh region. This twisting of your body is giving massage effect in most of the parts of your body. Your stomach, your abdominal region, your lungs, your heart, all are getting the massage effect. Your hips, your thighs, all are getting massage from this asana. The gentle massage goes to your whole body. This Markat Asana should be done empty stomach. Almost all the asanas should be done empty stomach. During the asana, you can have awareness towards your breath, towards your twisting of your body. Your whole focus should be on doing the asana. There should be no other thought in your mind. Now we have learned this Markat Asana of type 2. Now we will learn the Markatasana of type 3. Here also, first you will lie down on the ground and you will spread your hands on the shoulder level, palms toward the sky, and now you will raise one of your leg and bring it to the palm on the other side. Head will go to the opposite direction. Now you will bring back your leg. Now we will repeat this from the other leg. This Markatasana of type 3 is more hard than type 1 and type 2. Later on we will do Markatasana type 4, which is hardest of all the 4 Markatasanas. See it again. You raise your leg to 90 degree and bring it to the palm on the other side, and you turn your head to the opposite direction. Wait for a few seconds and return back. When you raise your leg, you breathe in. When your legs goes on the sides, you breathe out. As this Markatasana type 3 is more harder, so you will do it 3 to 5 times or according to your strength. The benefits of Markatasana type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 are similar, but Markatasana of type 3 is good for removing the excess fat on the abdominal region of your body. You will become slim by this asana. This asana will also help in removing the fat from the hip and thigh region. In many people, especially ladies, fat accumulates in the hip and thigh region. Now we have learned the Markatasana of type 3. Now we will learn the 4th variation of the Markatasana type 4. Here also you will lie down on the ground, spread your hands. You will take your leg to the 90 degree up and bring them to one of your palm, and head will be turned to the opposite direction. After some time, you will take your legs to the 90 degree up again and bring them slowly down. Your legs will be joined together all the time. See again, both the legs are together. Together we are taking to the palm and turning head to the other side and seeing to the palm. In this position, breath is out. When you take the legs up, you breathe inside and slowly you bring down, breathing out. Now take few normal breaths and bring your legs up 90 degree. Keeping both the legs together, bring it to the palm. Here breath will be out. After some time, bring legs back to the 90 degree and slowly bring your legs down. When legs are going up, you are breathing inside, and when the legs are going down, you are breathing out. It is a hard asana and it takes much strength, so do it according to your strength and according to your capacity. You can do it 3 to 5 times. This asana makes your body strong, but you have to do according to your strength. The asana should never be done after taking meal, because in this asana much of your pressure goes to your stomach area, so stomach should be empty. If you do it after eating, you may feel vomiting. And now we have learned the Markatasana of type 4. All the 4 variations of Markatasana we have learned. You can do relaxation in between the Markatasana whenever you feel. Now in the last we will do Savasana for relaxation. For that, keep the gap between the legs, palms toward the sky, relax your whole body. Feel the effect of asana in your body, and after the relaxation, you will rub your hands and do palming on your eyes. Rub your hands, bring them to eyes. Again rub your hands, make your palms warm and bring your hands to the eyes and gently bring your hands down. Open your eyes and come out of the Shavasana. Take the support of your hands from the left side and get up. I hope you like this asana and you will practice it at your home. Stay blessed, stay healthy.